Welcome and get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a delicious twist on a classic favorite, s'more dip. In this recipe, I'll take you through each step from prep to serving, ensuring your dip turns out perfectly gooey and irresistible. Let's dive in and create a treat that'll have everyone asking for s'more. Alright, let's talk ingredients for our s'more dip. First up, we've got 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. These are going to give us that rich, creamy chocolate base for our dip. Next, we'll need 1 cup of mini marshmallows. These little guys are going to get all toasty and gooey on top of our chocolate, just like the marshmallows in a traditional s'more. Now, to help us achieve that perfect velvety texture, we'll add in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This will make our chocolate nice and smooth for dipping. And finally, we'll need some graham crackers or other dippable snacks for serving. With these simple ingredients, we're going to create a mouth-watering s'more experience right in the comfort of our own kitchen. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get our oven preheated and our baking dish ready. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This temperature will give us the perfect heat to melt our chocolate and toast our marshmallows to golden perfection. While the oven is heating up, let's prepare our baking dish. You'll want to choose an oven-safe dish that's suitable for serving. A small cast iron skillet is ideal for this recipe, as it retains heat well and gives the dip a rustic touch. However, you can also use a ceramic or glass baking dish if that's what you have on hand. Whatever you choose, make sure to lightly grease the dish to prevent sticking. This will make it easier to scoop out all that delicious s'more goodness later on. Alright, time to melt that chocolate. Grab a microwave-safe bowl and add in your 1 cup of milk chocolate chips along with the 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This combination is going to give us that luscious velvety chocolate base for our dip. Now pop the bowl into the microwave and heat it in 30-second intervals. After each interval, give the chocolate a good stir to help it melt evenly. This process will take a few minutes, depending on your microwave, so be patient. And remember, it's important not to overheat the chocolate, as it can burn easily and become grainy. Keep a close eye on it and stop microwaving as soon as the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Now that our chocolate is perfectly melted, it's time to layer our ingredients in our prepared baking dish. Carefully pour the melted chocolate into the dish, spreading it out into a smooth, even layer. This is going to be the decadent foundation of our s'more dip. Once the chocolate is spread out, it's time to add the finishing touch, the mini marshmallows. Sprinkle the marshmallows evenly over the melted chocolate, covering the entire surface. These little pillows of sweetness are going to get all toasty and golden brown in the oven, just like the marshmallows in a classic s'more. Now that our layers are in place, our s'more dip is starting to take shape. Now it's time to bake our s'more dip to gooey golden perfection. Carefully place the baking dish into the preheated oven. We're going to let it bake for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the marshmallows on top are golden brown and toasted. Keep a close eye on the dip while it's in the oven to prevent any burning. The marshmallows can go from perfectly toasted to burnt pretty quickly, so be vigilant. As it bakes, the chocolate will become even more melty and the marshmallows will puff up and get that irresistible caramelized exterior. The aroma of chocolate and toasted marshmallows filling the air is a sure sign that our s'more dip is almost ready to enjoy. Just a few more minutes in the oven, and we'll be diving into gooey chocolatey bliss. Let's wait patiently for our delicious creation to finish baking. Our s'more dip is hot out of the oven and smelling absolutely divine. Now it's time to serve up this irresistible treat. Carefully remove the baking dish from the oven, taking care not to burn yourself on the hot surface. Let the dip cool for just a few minutes to allow it to set slightly. While it's cooling, gather your dippable snacks. Whether it's graham crackers, pretzels, or fresh fruit, choose your favorite dippers for scooping up that melty chocolate and gooey marshmallow goodness. Once the dip has cooled slightly, it's time to dig in. Now, before you dive into your s'more dip cooking, let me leave you with some helpful tips to ensure your dip turns out absolutely perfect. Keep an eye on the dip while it's in the oven, as the marshmallows can go from golden brown to burnt very quickly. Check on it frequently to prevent any mishaps. If you don't have heavy cream on hand, don't worry. You can substitute it with half and half or even whole milk. Just keep in mind that the texture of the melted chocolate may vary slightly depending on the substitute used. Get creative with your dippers. While graham crackers are a classic choice, feel free to experiment with other snacks like pretzels, strawberries, banana slices, or anything else you like. The possibilities are endless. For an extra indulgent touch, consider drizzling some caramel sauce or chocolate syrup over the dip before serving. This will take your s'more dip to the next level of deliciousness. With these tips in mind, you're all set to enjoy your delicious s'more dip. Enjoy!